votes in favor of Mahagathbandhan or not in the upcoming days?
You know, Nyamika, another interesting thing to watch out for is the fact that while the opposition continues to say that we are united and they're putting up a united front, let me quickly come back to you, Nyamika. Let me first get this breaking news that has come in as Rahul Gandhi's Voter Adhikar Yatra ends. Remember, the Congress is now showering praises on the top brass of the Congress party. This is a statement by Randeep Surjewala over which a row has erupted. He's compared Rahul to Mahatma. That has drawn, of course, a lot of ire. He has compared Rahul Gandhi's rally to the freedom struggle under Mahatma Gandhi, also going on to say that the Voter Adhikar Yatra is doing the same. Listen in to what Randeep Surjewala has said.
वोट अधिकार यात्रा अब एक नई क्रांति में तब्दील हो चुकी है। एक समय था जब महात्मा गांधी के नेतृत्व में इस देश में एक बलबला आया और स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के इस युग ने अंग्रेज को जड़ से उखाड़कर फेंक दिया। वोटर अधिकार यात्रा राहुल गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में तेजस्वी यादव जी के सहयोग से आज वही कर रही है।
All right, so that was, of course, Randeep Surjewala. Let me go back to my colleague Nyamika. Nyamika, the Congress, of course, refuses to give credit to the other opposition parties that are part of this Voter Adhikar Yatra. Even right now, Randeep Surjewala said, Rahul ji ke netritva mein aur RJD ke Tejasvi Yadav ke sahyog se. A while back, we were talking about how the opposition is putting up a united front, but we know that just a few days back, Rahul Gandhi had not even endorsed Tejasvi Yadav as the chief minister, while Tejasvi has done the same for Rahul in the past as far as the prime ministership of the country is concerned. So what united front and, what bonhomie are they talking about?
Well, throughout this yatra, throughout the Voter Adhikar Yatra, we have seen that how Congress party has also tried to portray this picture that this yatra is being led by Rahul Gandhi. It was the entire idea, the entire narrative which was being created by Rahul Gandhi only, as he was the one who had made this allegation upon the Election Commission of India regarding the vote chori, which the Congress party is claiming that the Election Commission is, helping BJP to do this vote chori in various states, including Maharashtra or Karnataka. Even in Haryana also they had made the similar kind of allegations, as they always, if we talk about the past, then we have seen that how Congress was usually being considered as the team B of our during the assembly elections. Also, we have seen that every such kind of campaign used to be led by Tejasvi Yadav, but this is the very first time when this yatra is going on, and it is basically being led by Rahul Gandhi. I would also like to show you the pictures here. Even the banners and the posters which are being put up here, that clearly gives out a message that it is basically the idea of the Congress party. You can see that in this particular banner which is being placed here, it is Rahul Gandhi's, a picture which is bigger than Tejasvi Yadav's picture. Not just that, but apart from that, another poster which is also being placed here, it also has the picture of Rahul Gandhi, which is much bigger than Tejasvi Yadav.
All right, Nyamika, I'll come back to you. Let me go across to Udit Raj of the Congress party joining us on the phone line. Udit Raj ji, अब तो यात्रा खत्म हो गई है, अब तो आरजेडी और दूसरे ऑपोजिशन मेंबर्स को थोड़ा क्रेडिट दे दीजिए। वो भी तो आपके साथ पार्ट थे इस वोटर अधिकार यात्रा में, पर रणदीप सुरजेवाला कह रहे हैं ये तो फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल की तरह और राहुल महात्मा की तरह है।
वो डराने का काम तो आप लोग करते ही है। इसके मतलब ये थोड़ी कि जब राहुल जी के बारे में कहा गया तो आरजेडी और दूसरे जैसे सीपीएम है, सीपीआई है, वामपंथ है, वीआईपी पार्टी है, उनको हम छोटा थोड़ी कर रहे हैं। यहाँ तो ये देखिए जब 29 पार्टियों की मीटिंग होती है तो, और जो सरकार चल रही है एनडीए की, एनडीए का नाम है किसी का? केवल मोदी 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 होता रहता है। कभी एनडीए का किसी का नाम हुआ, किसी मिनिस्टर कोई चलती है? तो दूसरे पक्ष में आप जब देखेंगे तब पता लगेगा। यहाँ तो आप लोग कोई न कोई कमी खोजने में लगे रहते हैं। तो राहुल जी का जो सेक्रीफाइस है, 4000 किलोमीटर चले वहां पर, फिर 6-7 हजार किलोमीटर वहाँ मणिपुर से लेके यहाँ चले, इतना कष्ट, इतना तकलीफ, इतना विपरीत परिस्थितियों में। तो ये तो जिस तरह से गांधी जी ने चंपारण में शुरू किया था उसी तरीके से राहुल जी ने शुरू किया है। और बिहार में वो जनता ने बता दिया है। इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी कि विपक्ष के साथियों को हम क्रेडिट नहीं दे रहे हैं।
So Udit Raj, would you then endorse Tejasvi Yadav? Would the Congress party endorse Tejasvi Yadav as the Chief Minister of Bihar?
See, I don't know what is the take of the party on it. Of course, it's an alliance. Definitely, consensus will be drawn, and of course, certainly, RJD is a larger partner. There is no doubt about it. Is there any doubt about it?
But
There is
that's
no
not
doubt
what your
about it.
leader Rahul Gandhi had said. He said, देखेंगे. तेजस्वी जी तो राहुल जी को प्राइम मिनिस्टरियलशिप के लिए एंडोर्स करते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट रेसिप्रोकेटेड.
It's a largest component, and of course RJD has more strength than Congress. Definitely, that goes without saying.
Okay, Udit Raj, thank you very much for joining us on Times Now. Of course, Udit Raj of the Congress Party continuing what his fellow member of the Congress Party, Randeep Surjewala, has said, that Rahul Gandhi is leading the Voter Adhikar Yatra in the state of Bihar, just as Mahatma Gandhi had led the freedom struggle. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what is happening within the Congress Party, the comparison with the father of the nation. Let's also get you the showdown over Rahul's Yatra that has happened. The BJP is now hit